When a cyber attack strikes, the last thing you want is hesitation when asked, "What do we do now?" Arctic Wolf Incident Response serves as your answer and action plan. From proactive planning to emergency response, Arctic Wolf has the right team to address any cyber attack. Under the leadership of a dedicated incident response director, we execute the strategy to remediate your unique cyber incident. Our elastic response framework guides us as we focus on 3 objectives: to secure, analyze, and restore your network. We pursue these 3 objectives simultaneously to get you back to normal as quickly as possible. While the response team secures your environment to prevent the threat actor from regaining entry to your network, our forensic analysts determine the root point of compromise and assess what data may have been accessed, deleted, or stolen. At the same time, our restoration experts work on returning your business to its pre-incident condition. And in the event of ransomware, specialized threat intelligence experts navigate the demands and tactics of the attackers to restore encrypted data and help avoid ransom payments. We respond fast so you can emerge stronger. To learn more about how Arctic Wolf can help your team recover from data breaches and cyber attacks, visit arcticwolf.com/IR.